So dear students, today we will discuss about Indian Accounting Standard 114, Ind AS 114. So here Ind AS 114 so deals with regulatory deferral accounts. Do you have any idea about regulatory deferral accounts? So before getting into the Ind AS 114, so we should have knowledge on the regulated industries operating in India. So what do you mean by regulated industries? So regulated industries are the entities which are selling the goods and services to the customers at a price or at a rate or at the prices which are subject to rate regulation. So those entities are called the regulated entities in India. So not only in India, so in the globe, you have the regulated industries. For example, the regulated industries, for example, you take electricity entity, then telecommunication entity, then water boards. So these are called the regulated entities. So these entities will be selling the goods and services to the customers at a rate or at a prices, so which are subject to the rate regulation by the regulatory bodies operating in India. So for example, if you take the electricity charges, okay, electricity charges are regulated by the State Electricity Regulatory Commission or the Central Electricity Regulatory Commission. The electricity charges are regulated by them. So like that, so if you take the telecommunication industries, so telecommunication industries are regulated by which body? Telecommunication industries are regulated by which body? TRAI, okay. Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. So like that, there are different regulatory bodies operating in India. So one is the Reserve Bank of India, is regulating the prices. Next one is the Securities Exchange Board of India, regulating certain prices. Then the third one is what? Okay, Insurance Regulatory Authority of India. Then Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. Then the State Electricity Regulatory Commission, Central Electricity Regulatory Commission. So these two commissions are regulating the electricity prices charged to household people. So all these accounts, okay, so all these industries, that is the regulated industries and the rate regulated activities, the rate regulated industries are covered in Indian Accounting Standards 114. Okay, Indian Accounting Standards 114. So what do you mean by the regulatory deferral account balance? So that is very, very important. The regulatory deferral account balance. So it is an amount of income or it is an amount of expense, but that is not recognized. Okay, that amount, which one? The regulatory deferral account balance. Regulatory deferral account balance. It is an amount of income or it is an amount of expense, but that is not recognized. That is not recognized as an asset or the liability, an asset or the liability as per the old accounting standards. Okay, as per the what old accounting standards. But these items qualify to be deferred. Okay, qualify to be deferred and to be included in the financial statements of the company. So that is called the regulatory deferral accounts. So because of the rate regulation, the amount of an expense, the amount of an income is not recognized as an asset or as a liability as per the other accounting standards. But these accounts qualify to be deferred, means to be what? To be included in the financial statements of the company in future. Okay, so that is all about the regulatory deferral accounts balance.